love small form factor PCs, as they can be powerful yet small enough to carry around with you wherever you want to take them. The problem is that ITX machines get a bad rep for being more expensive and hard to cool, while finding the right part small enough to fit into ITX cases can be harder to find. Don't worry though, because I have the best combination of PC parts for an ITX build with the 13600K that will be easy to build and will not cause any hassle down the line when you decide to do some upgrading. I'm so confident that you will like this PC that I'm telling you right now that this ITX build has a full-sized ATX power supply instead of a small form factor power supply. But before that, let's start with the motherboard. I paired the Intel Core i5 13600K with the Asus ROG STRIX Z690-I gaming Wi-Fi. Asus knows how to make the best ITX motherboards, and the STRIX Z690-I continues this tradition by giving us beefy VRMs and plenty of features. The RAM I chose is the G.SKILL RIPJAWS S5. In particular, I chose the 32GB kit that comes with 2 sticks of 16GB DDR5 6000 CL30 memory. For the GPU, I chose the SAPPHIRE Pulse Radeon RX 6700 XT for its excellent gaming and productivity performance. RDNA 2 GPUs proved to be much more power efficient than the NVIDIA RTX 3000 family of GPUs and fits perfectly in an ITX without worries of overheating. For storage, I went with the Samsung 980 Pro 2TB M2 NVMe SSD. It's a powerhouse, and one of these will be perfectly fast and stable thanks to its 2GB DDR4 cache. Now for the part that makes it all possible, the fractal design Define 7 Nano Mini ITX tower case. It is sleek, stylish, and easy to build in, while costing just around $100. The Define 7 Nano can accommodate all Mini ITX and Mini DTX motherboards, meaning that space will never be an issue. This does make it slightly larger than other ITX cases like the ever-popular Corsair One i400, but the slightly larger size gives it an unfair advantage over other ITX cases. The best advantage is having a separate PSU shroud-like full-sized ATX cases means support for long high wattage full-sized power supply units. No more needing to find the right small form factor power supply that will fit your ITX case and have sufficient wattage. I chose the SEASONIC Focus Plus Platinum 650 watt. It is a fully modular 650 watt 80 plus platinum certified full-sized ATX power supply unit that will easily fit inside the fractal design Define 7 Nano. To summarize everything, you don't need to worry about anything when building a small form factor PC these days. With so many options for parts, it's easy to get confused. You just need to choose the right type of case, and the rest of the system will be as easy to build as a full-sized ATX PC. ITX PCs are just as affordable as ATX PCs if you make the right moves. For this PC build, the estimated cost is $1,400. All right, fellow PC builders, there you have it. From budget to high end, I've tailored these builds for every pocket and purpose, featuring the versatile Intel Core i5 13600K. All mentioned PC components can be found in the description. So what do you think? Tell us what you'd like to change. Check another video where we suggest the best PC builds with the Intel Core i5 13600K and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments what you think, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.